So this will be a public video. This is the Klondike adaptive trail. Super easy. I don't have any gloves on because I'm like, don't need gloves. I'm trying to wear my grips in too, which I think is working. And I couldn't find my gloves because they're buried in the car. It's the end of the day for me, and I'm like, whatever. But I'm gonna do Klondike, and I think it's Syracuse after this, or something like that. They actually have like nice rollers in here. They're real nice, easy, and I'm anticipating this to be a lot of fun. Ooh, they have advanced features in here. Ooh. Oh, I was hoping that would be a rock roll, but it wasn't. Okay. Oh, yeah. This is definitely a fun trail. End of the day or beginning of the day. Whatever you want, man. Okay, now I'm on Syracuse. I will have the name, correct spelling. I don't know if that's right or not. It kind of came up with me too, kind of quickly. Oh. This is supposed to be a more difficult trail. Oh, I'm guessing more terrain, ups and downs, and all arounds. Oh, this is a, okay, trail Xing. That's for the cars. Yeah, look up cars. I'm riding my bike, and I'm more importanter than you. Yes, you are important, but I am importanter. That is a word. It is. I saw it on the internet, so it's real. They could build a little more berm there. Oh, features. Ooh. Yeah, I was kind of hoping that they'd have some stuff back here. Let's see if I can hit everything. See if I can clean this trail. Even though I'm like easy gear. Yeah, I'm easy gear guy today. I've been all day. This is what I'm kind of hoping for. Whoa! Oh, that was a nice plop. That was a really nice plop. Well, so far I would rate this as a getting more into mountain biking advanced trail, or beginner getting into more advanced stuff trail. Because I'm just sending stuff without looking, which, you know, if you're brand new, do not do that. Oh my gosh. Yeah, and now it's super tacky. My high hopes for tomorrow is Duluth, but I'm gonna hang out here. All depends on I have kind of a plan for Duluth. I'm gonna do stuff that I haven't done before. With the ultimate backfire. The backup is to go back to Mission Creek. I have to go to Mission Creek this year. It's a matter of if I should do that now or... Oh, that's a new feature they're building. They're gonna... Oh my gosh. Oh yes. I cased it. I'm gonna hit it again. Now there's actually no landing on this, so if you do this, you will clear it. But I totally cleared it. I kind of bumped over it. I kind of lifted. So that's another tabletop. I'm counting that as a tabletop. Syracuse, like the town in New York. I don't know if it's spelled the same way, but I'm thinking, this is quaint. I probably will not film the return Klondike, but I'm definitely going to film all of this. Like I said, this will be a public video. I'm sure there's 90 million, trillion, billion, zillion videos of this trail already. No! Hit everything without looking. Do not do that if you're a beginner. And the features that are back here are not life and death. You have to like brand new. I'm up on a bit of a hill. And there's a serious lowland down below me. which is like flooded out. Don't know if it's always like that or not. I don't know what to expect. So. Okay, downhill, downhill, downhill. Very, very downhill. I do not need to even use my brakes at all. Yep, that's not bad. Very, very, very. Oh. Oh, I totally cleared that. It was just a little table. But I'm gonna be going downhill again here pretty soon. And I anticipate rocks and mini jumps. Oh, okay. That was kind of a lame downhill. That's all good. Oh, oh. The bridge of Khazad-dûm. Oh, the smell of that wood was kind of cool. I basically got off the big hill now. Oh. Very quaint. I like it. I would definitely do this trail again with somebody who wants to get a flavor for CUYUNA. I remember where that. Oh, we might not be out of the woods yet. I have had so many frame knockers today. There's some big trees. I think this area, yeah, you can tell the trees have been falling over like crazy. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you think some trees have been falling over? Yeah, just a little bit. Oh, there's been a lot of fun areas like this on the way back, and I figure I better get this. Kind of a little jump. I'm kind of hoping there would be like more of a tabletop here. I'm still on the Klondike. Hey, a long trail.
In truth, the later half of this trail, Klondike returning, had a lot of ups and downs and flows, as you can see here. It was a fun trail. I didn't get a chance to record all of it, and I was just too stinking tired. But in any case, you need to check it out. It's a pretty awesome trail system that they put in here for anybody and everybody.
This is just as good as any of the other trails here. I mean, I can see it's just kind of light flow, like all the way through. I think the original trail comes this way on this other side of this ridge. But yeah, man, this was supposed to be a feature, and they decided no, it's an easy trail. I do not know. I was half expecting there to be a little table at the bottom of that. Oh, now we're back to the parking lot. Okay. Sweet. Wow. That was actually pretty sweet. I like Bison Run a little bit better, but holy cow.